it's WTI, and in this little mesh bag is a huge beach blanket, and it's all you're gonna need for your next day by the water. I love how compact this is. It fits easily in the bottom of my beach bag, but when you open it up, it's big enough for an entire family to enjoy. It's made of a really interesting material. It reminds me a little bit of a shower curtain liner, but it's designed to repel water and sand. Nothing sticks to this. I can walk right from the water through the sand and onto this blanket, and even that wet, mucky sand will wipe right off. It makes it so nice at the end of the beach day to just shake everything off and be able to put it away without tracking all sorts of sand back home. If it happens to be a windy day, each corner has a pocket underneath that you can fill with sand, so it keeps it anchored in place without needing any pegs or anything. It's also a really beautiful design. This one is Dream Sea, so it's nice shades of blue and green, very beachy. So if you're looking for something that will keep you off the sand, but is nice and portable and compact, I think you'll be thrilled with this beach blanket, and that's my point of view.